Hey everyone, want to download ueli on your Windows computer? Ueli is a free, open-source application launcher that helps you quickly open apps, search files, perform calculations, and boost your productivity with simple keyboard shortcuts. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to download ueli safely and quickly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Yeah, any modern browser will work for downloading ueli. Next, visit the official ueli website. Downloading directly from the official source helps ensure you receive the latest version and avoid modified or unsafe installers. Click the Windows download option. Most users should download the installer version, while advanced users can choose the portable version if they don't want to install the application. Choose where you want to save the downloaded file if your browser asks. Yeah, most browsers automatically save it to the Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, make sure the installer completed successfully before opening it. If the download was interrupted, simply download the file again from the official website. You're now ready to install ueli. Double-click the installer and follow the setup wizard to complete the installation. Yeah, the process usually takes less than a minute. And that's how to download ueli on Windows. By downloading the installer from the official website, you'll have the latest version ready to install and use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.